Hi there, 413. This is Dr. Caldwell, and this is the Elementary Social Studies course. I wanted to introduce you to Blackboard and to our syllabus so we're all on the same page. When you come into Blackboard, you always start from the top and go down. So click on announcements, and you will see weekly announcements that I will post, which will update you on what's due that week. Then you will click on the syllabus and schedule links. You click on these links and they will take you to the syllabus and they will take you to the course schedule. And then you can click on Instructor Information and you will see my phone numbers. This is the office number, which usually will forward to this number. So leave a message. The best way to reach me is through email. I check that several times a day and we'll get back to you within 24 hours, or over the weekend I will get back to you on Monday. Then you come down to course modules, and everything that you need will be in these course modules. You'll click on the modules. I try to update everything. I try to have everything color coded for you. So everything that you need is here. If you see something that's not clear, please let me know. I do not know what's not clear until you let me know. So reach out to me if you have any questions. But all of these are links that you can click on, which will take you to your work each week. All right, let's go and take a look at the syllabus. So again, here is phone number. Office hours are going to be Monday through Wednesday, but I will meet with you just about any day. We just need to set up a time through email, and we can Zoom and set something up. Here is the Zoom link. This is a 2-credit-hour course, but you still have a 30-hour field experience. So you will need to make sure that you are checking in on that and getting a placement. We have one textbook, Elementary Social Studies. This is the book. And you will come down to see just the standard language, course policies, everything that we'll be doing, my late policy. You can turn it in late, but it'll be a 10% penalty for each day up to 5 days. After 5 days, you will receive a 50% deduction or lower depending on your effort and work. So even if you turn it in a few weeks late, you'll still can possibly earn 50% credit, but it will depend on your work and when it gets submitted, and that will be my decision. All right, coming down here, you have, these are the assignments that you will be doing. And if you look each week, you'll see you'll have discussion boards, you'll have quizzes, you'll have weekly activities. I'm going to continue updating these as I figure out what I want you to be doing. You'll be creating a classroom website in this course. You'll have a midterm, which is a primary resource Nearpod lesson. We'll talk about what primary resources are. You will be creating a lesson plan and a weekly planning calendar. You will be getting praxis help. If you've taken the praxis, that's fine. I will then have you do some other activities about art and movement in social studies. So be looking for those to come later. I'm still updating everything as this is a new course that I'm teaching. You will have participation points. I will ask you to check in with me at least midterm, make sure you're doing okay. If you do not reach out to me, if you're having an issue, I cannot help you. So please, please, please reach out to me, but I will be checking in with you and expect for you to respond so that I know you're okay. And then you'll have a final exam project, which is a virtual field trip. Here's a breakdown of the points. You'll have 1,000 points in this class. And again, you go to your weekly schedule and you will see it updated. I'm still working on it as some of the things are not added, but this is a good idea of kind of what it will look like. All right, that's about it. If you have any other questions for me, let's set up the Zoom. I'm looking forward to this class. It's a very independent class. You will be working on it on your own, but again, I am here to help you and happy to do so anytime. Thanks so much.